Sa 131 ba yun, Dok? Pathology of fire. Fire is primarily an internal pathogenic factor. The only type of external fire could be considered to be that seen in warm diseases. Fire can derive from a transformation of other exterior pathogenic factors like the wind, the cold, the summer heat, and dampness. But once it affects the internal organs, it is an interior pathogenic factor. Internal causes of fire are the excessive consumption of hot foods and alcohol, emotional stress. Stagnant qi turns into fire, and smoking. The general clinical manifestations of fire are red face, red eyes, swelling and pain of the eyes, tongue, ulcers, mouth ulcers, scanty dark urine, dry stools, bleeding, insomnia, mental restlessness, pronounced irritability, propensity to outburst of anger in liver fire, agitation, red tongue with a dry dark yellow coating and a deep, full, rapid pulse. When used in narrow sense, the term heat denotes a middle form of fire. Heat and fire have obviously the same nature and share similar characteristics. They will both cause thirst, a feeling of heat, some mental restlessness, a red tongue, and a rapid pulse. However, there are some important differences in the clinical manifestations, possible complications, and treatment. Fire is more solid than heat. It tends to move and dry out more than heat. And this nature of fire causes dark, scanty urine and dry stools. Fire moves upward, causing mouth ulcers, for example, or damages the blood vessels, causing bleeding. Also, fire tends to affect the mind more than heat, causing anxiety, mental agitation, insomnia, or mental illness. Main characteristics of fire. As opposed to heat, it blazes upwards, it is very drying, it damages blood and yin, it may cause bleeding, it has the potential to generate wind, it affects the mind, it causes ulcers with swelling. The nature of fire, therefore, is to rise to the head, dry fluids, injure blood and yin, causes bleeding, and affects the mind. In general, the yin points, second points, of every channel clear heat or drain fire. For example, liver 2, heart 8, bladder 66, and etc. Thank you for your attention.